What's up, viewers? Welcome to another edition of Forex Weekly Outlook on HDA Forex Empire. We are going to analyze the Forex market using technical analysis. But before we dive into the chart, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every video and educational content I drop. See you in the chat. So starting with Euro USD, we saw an upward movement in the previous week. We saw price moving upward in the previous week. And now we can see that Euro USD is now in an uptrend now. So looking at the trend of Euro USD, we can see that Euro USD is in an uptrend now. So we have something like this. Then this. So this is the current trend of Euro USD. So trying to spot key levels on Euro USD, we can have a beautiful trend line here. We can spot a trend line here at this very point, a very nice one here. So we have this beautiful trend line here and also spot a key level here. We can also have this zone of interest here. On Euro USD, so moving down to the 4-hour time frame, also moving down, my chart is loading. So now moving down to the 4-hour time frame also, we have this, we have another key level here. That's a trend line. So we also have another trend line here. So now what I want to see on Euro USD is this. I want to see price. Let me zoom my chart a little bit. I want to see price drop down to this key zone here. I want to see price drop down to this level here. I want to see price drop down to this level here. Then look for buying confirming candles, then buy on Euro USD. So this is my analysis on you. But sometimes too, the market can do whatever it likes. So it's likely that Euro USD can also break this zone here. If Euro USD breaks this trend line, then I'll wait for a retest to this zone. Then look for selling confirming candles, then sell down to this point on Euro USD. So this is my simple analysis on Euro USD. Our next pair is the Great Britain pound and the US dollar. So on this pair too, we saw that price moved upward sharply due to the NFP news. So on GBPUSD, we saw price moving upward in the order, and we saw price breaking the structure here. We saw price breaking the structure here, this zone of interest here. So price doing that. So now if you have to spot other key levels, we have a trend line at this point here also. We have a beautiful trend line here also. And we can also have a trend line here also. We can also have a trend line here also. Exactly. And spot another key level here. We can spot another key level here. So this coming week, I'm bullish on GBPUSD this coming week. I'm bullish on GBPUSD. Let me try and adjust this a little bit. So this coming week, I'm bullish on GBPUSD. So these are my key levels I'm looking for buys. In case price gets to this zone here, I'll look for buying confirmed candles, then buy. Or if price breaks this zone downward and gets to this zone here, I'll also be looking for buying confirming candles to buy. So like I said, this coming week, I'm bullish on GBPUSD. Our next pair is USDCHF. So on this pair, on the daily time frame, I have no clear picture here. So let me move down to the 4-hour time frame and see. So moving down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that USDCHF is bearish. We can see USDCHF is bearish on the 4-hour time frame, and we have these key levels here. We have this zone here, this zone of interest here. We have this zone here. Sorry. We have this zone here, and we also have another zone here. We also have another zone here. Let me adjust it again. We also have another zone here. We also have a beautiful zone here. So nice one. So now, and we also have a trend line here also. We have a trend line here also. So now this is what I want to see on USDCHF, moving down to the 1 hour time frame. So moving down to the 1 hour time frame, I want to see price get to this zone here. Like I said, I'm bearish this week on USDCHF. So I want to see price get to this zone here, then see price drop. Or if price fails to do that and breaks this zone, if price fails to do that and breaks this zone, I want to see a retest to this zone here, to this particular zone, then sell, then buy up to this trend line here. Then look for selling confirmed candles, then sell down on USDCHF. So if you want to buy USDCHF, wait for price to break this zone upward. Then you wait for a retest, then you scalp some buys to this trend line here. Then when price gets to this trend line, you look for selling confirming candles, then sell USDCHF. So this is my analysis on USDCHF. So our next pair we'll be looking at is GBPAUD. So on this pair, in the previous week, I was expecting price to get down to this level here. I was expecting price to get down to 1.88736, around that area. I wanted to see price get down to that area, but price failed to do so. But let's move to the 4 hour time frame and see what we have there. So moving down to the 4 hour time frame, we have this key zone here. We have this key zone here. We have this zone here. This beautiful zone here. And we also have another zone here. We also have another zone here. We also have another zone here. So now on GBPAUD, this is what I'm expecting. I'm ready for everything that is coming. So if price retest this zone here, if price retest this zone here, I'll be looking for buying confirmed candles, then buy. So my TP1 will be around here. Here will be my take profit, my first take profit, then my TP2 will be somewhere here on GBPAUD. But anything can happen in the market, anything can happen in the market. By moving down to the 1 hour time frame also, moving down to the 1 hour time frame also, now we can see this. So we can scalp some cells here. So maybe right now price has touched this zone here. So what I'll be looking for is a selling confirming candle, then sell up to this point here. So when I sell up to this point here, I'll look at the reaction of price at this key zone here. If price breaks this zone here, if price breaks this zone, I'll wait for a retest to this zone, then look for selling confirming candles, then sell up to this point here. So that's my simple analysis on GBPAUD. Actually, I don't know the actual bias of GBPAUD. That's why I'm giving you both buying scenarios and selling scenarios on GBPAUD. So now looking at gold on the daily time frame. Gold looks bullish on the daily time frame. Gold looks bullish on the daily time frame. But if you have to move down to the 4 hour time frame, we have something different there. We have something different on the 4 hour time frame on gold. So now we have this key level here on gold. Now the 4 hour time frame, note that gold is bearish on the 4 hour time frame. And we also have another key level here. We also have another key level here. And we did have another key level here on gold. We did have this too on gold. So now on gold. Let's move down to the 1 hour time frame. Moving down to the 1 hour time frame. So moving down to the 1 hour time frame on gold, we can also have a trend line here also. We can have a trend line here also on gold. So now on gold, this is what I want to see on gold. Now price has gotten to this key level here. Price has gotten to this particular key level here. So now if you want to buy, just look for buying confirmed candles on gold, then buy up to this point here. Then buy up to this point here. But in case price breaks this particular trend line, if price breaks the trend line, I want to see a retest to this zone here, then sell gold up to this zone here. So this is my simple analysis on gold. So our last pair we'll be looking at is GBPCAD. And on GBPCAD, we can see that price is bullish on GBPCAD, and we're able to spot this zone here. We're able to spot this zone here, and this zone here, and this trend line here, and this particular zone here on GBPCAD. So moving down to the 4-hour time frame also, let's see what we have there. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is what I want to see on GBPCAD. I want to see price move downward to this zone here. I want to see price move downward to this zone here. Then look for buying confirming candles. When price drops to this zone here, I'm going to look for buying confirming candles, then buy GBPCAD. Or it's likely that price can break the zone downward. Price can just break the zone downward to this trend line here. So when price gets to this zone here, I want to see the reaction of price at this particular zone here. So we have to study the reaction of price at this zone here. And if you want to buy, we just look for buying confirming candles like bullish engulfing candles or hammer candles or any other bullish confirming candle. Then we buy up to this point here on GBPCAD. Guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button. And if you have any question, you can do what to ask in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer all your questions. And if you want free signals and setups, you can join my Telegram channel by tapping on the link in the description box below. And please do what to share this video to friends and family. Please share the link to friends and family so that they don't miss what you enjoy in this channel. Thank you.